Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to filter across multiple sheets. I have 4 sheets: sales on the web, sales in store, sales to account holders, and international sales. Now your first step is to put all your data in tables. You can see I've done that for store, account holder, and international. This formatting indicates that I've done so. But I'll show you how to do that for web if you're not sure how to put your data in a table. So you click somewhere in the data, Control T on your keyboard, and then you just click on OK in this box, and then you want to give your table a name. So you get this additional table design tab when you're in the table, and over on the left you can give the table a name. So we'll call this TBL_web. So the other tables I've also named. So the store one is TBL store, account holder one is TBL account holder, and then the final one is TBL int. So we're going to filter across those sheets in this additional sheet. And the first function we're going to use is VSTACK, and that will bring all of the data together into one sheet. And all I have to do is list those tables. You can see them here in this IntelliSense list. If you give them all the same prefix, they're much easier to select from the IntelliSense list. So if I press enter there, you can see it returns those values. That's across all those 4 sheets. Now we do need to apply some formatting. These should be dates, and this should be currency. And I'll widen these columns. So now I need to apply the filter. What I'm going to do though is put this within the let function, because this VSTACK is going to be used more than once within the formula. And if I use the let function, it only needs to be calculated once. I use let, open bracket, and I give a name to this VSTACK. So I'll just call it list. You could call it whatever you like, comma, and then name value 1 is the VSTACK. So I'm going to put a comma at the end there, and I'll come down on a new line. I think it just makes the formula easier to read. And now I need to do the calculation, which is essentially my filter. So I'll use the filter function for that. The array is list. That's what I want to filter. And include is where I specify the criteria. Now the criteria is up here in B1, and that's relevant to the second column within my data. So I use the CHOOSECOLS function to extract that second column from list, and I want to extract the second column. And my criteria is the value in that column equal to the value I'm holding in B1. So if I close the bracket for filter and then for let, you'll see it returns those records. Now I'd like some column headings. So what I can do is VSTACK the filter results with those column headings. So array 1, I can just pick from one of the sheets, comma, and then I'll close the bracket at the end here, press enter, and now I have the column headings. If I choose a new product group from up here, it will automatically filter my results.